Bathroom and Toilet is a high-powered foaming style cleaner with the added power of citric acid, giving safe, bleach-free cleaning. With the help of a foaming nozzle, it restores white ceramic sanitary fittings and removes heavy-duty soap scum, urine, including lime and calcium build-up on glass. Used on new fittings, it will resist the build-up, keeping glass and sanitary fittings clean and looking new. Bathroom and Toilet is not to be used on natural or composite stones. Spray liberally into fittings and work into affected areas. Be sure to use foaming nozzle. Where possible, leave until next flush or use of a sanitary fitting. To restore old sanitary fittings, apply as late as possible. Work into affected area and leave overnight. Repeat daily until restored and then continue with standard cleaning. To remove scale build-up on glass, apply a small amount to area and scrub with microfiber cloth or old toweling.